Hello there guys and girls, good evening to each every one of you. You know what? I'm gonna make some reviews for this movie that I have watched last night. I couldn't really believe. But before I'm gonna proceed on my reviews, I'm gonna introduce to you to our special guest for tonight. Yes, hold on, hold on. A very special guest. I don't know. Some of you doesn't know who is this special guest that I'm talking to you right now, but most of you already know who he is. So let's welcome him, guys and girls, on our channel. No other than come over. It's Dexter, guys and girls. So he didn't watch last night, but I'm gonna ask him, guys and girls, for those of you doesn't know him, he is Dexter, my acquaintance friend here in Cubao. We've been friends for so many months, I think 2 years already, and it's an on and off communications. And he's busy, and I'm also busy. And he approached me just this late afternoon in Arimol. He's working in a gourmet shop, but I'm not gonna tell you what particular shop is that because it's not a sponsor. Anyway, good for him that he's working now. And I just wanna ask him about this movie, what he knows about this movie. Guys and girls, once again, Dexter. So Dexter, what do you think about this movie?
I think yan is ano niya, ang pinagmulan niya is ano siya. Isa siyang mga nananampalataya siya, tapos
Pwede.
meron siyang yung kanyang pananaw is magiging magiging maniniwala siya sa kakayahan niya at sa kanyang prinsipyo na nasa mga balang araw na magiging may magandang kinabukasan or magkakaroon siya
Pwede.
ng
Magandang paliwanag.
pamumuhay.
So have you heard about Himala, or do you recall anything that has a resemblance or same with the title?
Ang ang dati kong na-check sa mga TV or sa mga kahit sa mga noon pa is yung parang version siya ni yung dating artista,
I
pero
know, she's still an artista. So, sino yun?
artista pa rin siya, pero hindi ko na siya ang pinaka nakikita ko
Sige,
lang
hulaan mo kung
yung
sino.
bagong henerasyon kasi yung mga
Hindi, sino sa tingin mo before? Who's that?
parang si Nora Honor.
Very good! Guys, clap your hands to Dexter. Very bright answer. He knows Nora Honor. Clap your hands. To all Noranians, very good, right? And then, actually, guys and girls, this is no, I'm not gonna divulge. So, tama, the thing that you have said, the name that you have said. And then, so what else do you know about this movie?
Tapos yun nga is naniniwala siya sa kanyang naniniwala siya sa prinsipyo niya, tapos sa pananampalataya niya syempre, at yun is nangyayari siya kapag nalagpasan niya yung mga magagandang mga pinagdaanan niya sa buhay.
Oo.
Tapos sa pamamagitan ng magiging inspirasyon niya sa sarili niya, pati sa paniniwala niya, ganun.
Very good. That's nice to hear from you. So guys and girls, let's clap your hands to Dexter. Thank you, Dexter, for your forecast about this movie. What do you think? What else can you say about this movie?
At saka yung mga yung mga dati pang nung napanood, siguro yung mga narinig ko or na balita ako sa is napakaganda diyang panoorin kasi makakapulot ka din ng mga aral,
Yeah,
ng
yeah.
mga lesson sa buhay, ganun yung mga
That's right.
tungkol sa mga naging ano mo sa buhay mo, mga naging pagsubok o mga naging balakid mo, ganun.
That's
At
right.
yun nga is meron siyang magkakaroon ka ng kaalaman at saka mga aral doon.
Thank you. So that would be all for now, guys and gals. It's my turn to have a review for this one, okay? Thank you so much for watching. So make some shoutouts.
Shoutouts. Shoutout ko lang yung mga pamilya ko, din yung ganun din sa mga kaibigan ko, pati yung mga kakilala ko. Eto ako is dito ako ngayon na sana kahit konti panoorin nyo or supportahan nyo to.
Okay. Mga katrabaho mo rin.
Pati
Iba't
na rin
ibang-
pala yung mga katrabaho ko na sana is syempre panoorin nyo rin at
Okay.
makakakuha naman kayo ng magandang impormasyon in this.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye for now.